Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can recover your Metricool account. Well, due to not signing into my Metricool account for a long time, the credentials of my account got expired. So to recover them, open your browser and go to the Metricool platform by searching it. And then click on Login. Here, when you add your credentials to access your account, it says credentials expired. And when you click on this drop down, it says access error, request failed with status code 412. Your authentication data is no longer valid. In order to access again, we need you to recover your account. So to recover your account, click on I forgot my password. And they will ask you to provide your email address so that they can send you instructions to recover your account. And then click on accept. Now check your emails and click on recover my password. Here, add your new password on both the provided fields and then click on set your password. Remember, your new password must meet the following criteria. And here you can see that it's giving you a pop-up message mentioning that your new password has successfully been changed and you can sign into your account using your new password. So add your credentials using your new password to access your Metricool account. And here, just accept the terms and conditions to start using your account. And this is how you can recover your Metricool account. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.